Are you ready to take your soldering game to the next level? Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, the right soldering station can make all the difference. Today, we're diving into the top 7 digital soldering stations of 2024, breaking down their features, pros, and cons to help you find your perfect match. Let's jump right in. Let's kick off our list with the YIHUA 926. This compact soldering station offers a lot for its price point, featuring a wide temperature range and a ceramic heater for efficient performance. One standout feature is its adjustable sleep mode, which prolongs tip life by automatically lowering the temperature when idle. Plus, it comes with multiple accessories, including extra selling tips, making it a versatile choice for beginners. However, this model isn't without its flaws. Some users have reported durability issues, particularly with the soldering iron and base materials. Additionally, the device may require calibration to ensure accurate temperatures, which can be a bit of a hassle for those unfamiliar with the process. Overall, it's a solid entry-level option, but it falls short in terms of reliability compared to the other contenders on this list. Next up is the BAKON, a feature-rich soldering station designed for professionals and hobbyists alike. With its sleek LCD display and password-protected settings, it offers a modern touch while preventing accidental adjustments. The ceramic heater ensures quick heat-up times, and the included soldering iron stand, complete with cleaning accessories, adds to its overall convenience. On the downside, the BAKON isn't as widely available, which might make sourcing replacements or accessories challenging. Additionally, the warranty doesn't cover consumable parts like tips or the heater, leaving some users feeling uncertain about long-term reliability. Despite these drawbacks, its performance and thoughtful design make it a worthy consideration for anyone needing consistent results. Coming in strong at number 5 is the Aoyue, which shines with its precise temperature control and programmable sleep function. This station is especially appealing for users who tackle various projects, thanks to its inclusion of 10 different soldering tips. With a lightweight design and ceramic heater, it's built for both comfort and efficiency. That said, the Aoyue isn't perfect. Some users have noted concerns about its build quality, particularly the soldering iron holder and cables. Additionally, finding replacement parts can be tricky, depending on your location. Still, its versatility and advanced features make it a solid choice for intermediate to advanced users. At number 4, we have the YIHUA, which combines fast heating with ergonomic comfort. Its pencil grip soldering iron is perfect for long projects, while the memory presets make it easy to switch between temperature settings. It's also equipped with energy-saving features like a standby mode, which helps reduce wear on the tip. However, durability has been a concern for some users, particularly with the soldering iron itself. Replacement parts are also harder to come by, which could be an issue for frequent users. Despite these minor drawbacks, YIHUA's reputation for quality and the station's overall performance make it a great choice for everyday use. The YIHUA 939D Plus takes the number 3 spot, delivering exceptional versatility and safety features. Its ESD-safe design makes it ideal for handling sensitive electronic components, while the adjustable sleep mode adds a layer of convenience. The station also comes with a variety of soldering tips and accessories, making it a complete package for professionals. Still, it's not without its drawbacks. Some users report durability issues over time, particularly with the soldering iron. Additionally, the station may require occasional calibration to maintain precise temperature control. Despite these minor flaws, this model offers a robust set of features that make it a standout option for advanced users. In the runner-up position is the YIHUA 1010, a favorite among professionals for its reliability and ease of use. This station heats up quickly and features an ergonomic handle, making it perfect for extended work sessions. The energy-saving features such as auto setback and standby mode ensure efficient operation while prolonging the life of your tips. However, it's not flawless. Some users have reported occasional temperature instability, and the lack of a backlit display can make it harder to use in dimly lit environments. Even so, this model remains one of the best soldering stations on the market. offering consistent performance and advanced functionality. Finally, at number 1, we have the Hako. This powerhouse soldering station stands out for its superior performance, offering a wider temperature range and higher power than most competitors. The ergonomic design of the soldering iron and the compact build make it a joy to use, even for extended periods. Whether you're working on intricate circuits or heavy-duty tasks, this station delivers consistent, reliable results. Its only real downside is the slightly less intuitive interface, which may take some getting used to if you're new to Hako products. But once you've mastered it, the Hako proves to be an unbeatable tool, combining power, precision, and durability like no other. And there you have it, the top 7 digital soldering stations of 2024. From entry-level options to professional-grade tools, there's something here for everyone. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews, guides, and recommendations. See you next time.